Welcome back to Canada Voyage. In this video, I shall be taking you through the process of obtaining the driving license here in Ontario, Canada. If you're new to our channel and haven't subscribed it yet, please do consider subscribing it. Also hit the like button to support our channel. Do not forget to hit the bell icon to be notified on all our upcoming videos. So without any delay, let's begin. Just like in any other country, you will have the learner's license or the beginner's license and then a fully graduated license. Here we do have the same concept. They are G1, G2 and the G license. G1 is the learner's license, which includes vision and knowledge test. G2 is the level 2 graduated license and G is the full license. You must be a minimum of 16 years old to give your G1 test. Now let's get to the details of the G1 test. G1 test does not require a prior appointment either over phone or online. You can directly walk into the drive test center and you can walk into the drive test center of your choice or to the nearest center. While you do so, please carry any one of the following documents: your passport or your Canadian citizenship card if you're a Canadian citizen, or the landing papers such as the COPR, or the temporary employment authorization or student authorization. Remember, you do not have to carry all of these documents. Any one of these is a must. License exchange program is applicable for select countries only. If your country falls under the non-exchangeable list, then you will have to carry your home country driving license as well as the driving license extract. Driving license extract is a summary of your driving experience back in your home country. The driving license extract must be duly signed and sealed by the transport authority of the home country. Remember that the name on the driving license extract must match back exactly to your passport and the seal must be clearly legible. Else, you will have to have good convincing skills to convince the person at the center if this gets rejected. And trust me, it is a difficult one to do. You will have to pay 159 Canadian dollars 75 cents if you do not have a driving license to take up the G1 test. And if you do have a driving license extract and that is accepted by the test center, your fee will be 106 Canadian dollars. G1 test comprises of a total of 40 multiple choice questions divided in two sections. One is on the rules of the road and another on the road signs. There is no time limit for this test. You need to get a minimum of 16 answers right in each section to pass the test. If you do fail the test, you can immediately retake the test by paying 16 Canadian dollars for every additional attempt. My suggestion for you would be to refer the Ontario's official driver handbook. The questions would be from the content in it. I have put the link in the description box and this handbook can be downloaded free of cost. This can save the retake test cost of $16. G1 test is not very difficult. You just need to spend some time to know the rules of the road. G1 license gives you the right to drive only under the supervision of a fully licensed driver sitting beside you while you drive, along with many other restrictions. So better take up the G2 and then buy a car. Now let's get to the details of the G2 test. G2 test requires a prior appointment. You can book, cancel or reschedule your appointments online or over phone. But remember that you can use this facility only for 3 times. If you do use it for more than 3 times, you will be automatically locked out. If that happens, you will have to personally go to the drive test center each time for booking or cancelling or even rescheduling your test. You would be surprised to find out that the slots are booked for close to a year. The only way out for this is to constantly monitor the website and grab a spot when someone cancels theirs. If you're finding it difficult to find a slot, do watch this video until end. I have a tip for you there to easily get a slot. Once you've passed the G2 test, you can take up the fully licensed G test immediately, provided the drive test center has accepted your driving license extract or certificate. If not, the wait period is 12 months. If you have taken up the government approved driver education course, which is definitely at an additional cost, you will be able to give your G test within 8 months. My suggestion for you would be to take up the G2 test before you give your G test, especially if you come from the country in which you would drive on the left side of the road. The rate of passing the G test after the G1 test is very low. Before you take up your G2 test, I would recommend you to take up a couple of classes from a good driving instructor. You would need to take your own car for the test. If you do not have any friends or relatives here who would lend their car for the test, then the driving instructor can arrange a car for you. A good driving instructor would charge about 30 Canadian dollars to 35 Canadian dollars for 1 hour of class, and an additional of 150 Canadian dollars if he will arrange the car for your test. So think about it. If you fail the test, the cost that you will have to be paying for retaking the test as well as arranging for the car is going to be really high. So don't be overconfident. I would suggest you to take up a minimum of 7 classes before you give the G2 test. In the road test, you will be tested on all aspects of your driving, such as changing lanes, check on the timing of your signal, mirror checks, blind spot checks, are you giving the right of way to the pedestrians as well as the vehicles, parallel parking, reverse parking, where not to park, are you following the authorized speed limits, and all your driving maneuvers. G2 test and G test are similar except for the fact that the G test includes test on the highways, while the G2 test does not have test on the highways. My suggestion for you would be to research a bit on the pass percentage of the drive test centers near you and choose a drive test center accordingly. Let me remind you once again, do not be overconfident. You could be failed for even a single silly mistake of yours which you wouldn't even have realized. A G2 license is equivalent to a fully licensed G holder, except for one restriction, that is, if you are a G2 holder, the alcohol content in your blood should be 0% while you drive. If you're under 19, several other restrictions do apply. A fully licensed G holder's alcohol content in blood should be less than 0.05. I would recommend you not to drink and drive. It is safe for you as well as for others. Even if you are a fully licensed G holder, you are not permitted to drive a motorcycle, a transport truck, a bus, or any other large vehicles. You will have to take up separate tests. One of the most important things to note here is the insurance cost. Insurance cost is dependent on the place that you live and the type of license that you hold. Brampton in Ontario is charged with the highest insurance cost. The insurance cost that a G holder pays is comparatively lesser than what a G2 holder would pay. Finally, for that one tip that I promised you earlier in this video, if you are not able to get a slot either online or over phone, if you would like to take up the test immediately and are not able to find your slot, then you can opt for the standby slot. Now, what is a standby slot? If a person who's scheduled for a particular appointment does not turn up, or the examiner has finished all of the tests scheduled for that day well ahead in time, then the standby person gets a chance to give the test. I would suggest you to go on a Saturday early in the morning when the test center opens up and book for your standby slot. You're more likely to get a chance to give your test on a Saturday by noon. This method did work for us. Hope it does for you too. Good luck for your test. If you found this video really informative, please do consider subscribing our channel and click the bell icon for notifications on all our upcoming videos. See you soon in my next video. Until then, take care and bye.